If you want to delete Evernote notes quickly and safely, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it on Evernote Web and on the desktop app for Mac and Windows. Whether you're cleaning up old notes, removing duplicates, or just organizing your workspace, this is one of the fastest ways to clear out what you no longer need. And before we start, if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software tutorials. Let's start with Evernote Web. First, open the note you want to delete from your note list. Once the note is open, look at the top of the note for the More Actions button, which is the three-dot menu. Click that menu to open the available options. From there, select Move to Trash. As soon as you choose that option, Evernote will send the note to the trash instead of keeping it in your main notebook list. This is useful because it gives you a chance to recover the note later if you change your mind. Now, let's go over the desktop version. If you're using Evernote on Mac or Windows, go to your note list and find the note you want to remove. You can delete it in a couple of different ways. One option is to right-click the note and choose Move to Trash from the menu. Another quick option is to click the note once and then press the Delete key on your keyboard, or Del if you're on Windows. That will move the note out of your main list and into the trash. You can also open the note first if that's easier. Once the note is open, look for the More Actions button in the top right corner. That three-dot menu gives you the same kind of controls you saw in the web version. From there, select Move to Trash to delete the note. This is a good method if you're already reading the note and want to remove it without going back to the list. If you're deleting multiple notes, take your time and make sure you're selecting the right ones for moving them to trash. That way, you avoid deleting anything important by accident. And remember, moving a note to trash is not always the same as permanently deleting it. So if you only want to clean things up temporarily, this is the safest first step. That's all it takes to delete Evernote notes on web and desktop. It's fast, simple, and once you know where the More Actions menu is, you can do it in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Evernote tips, and I'll see you in the next video.